Good evening, everyone. How are you? Also, say again. Tonight, I want to discuss with you. Okay, listen to the words you keep repeating to yourself. Okay, listen to these words. I can't. I never. Why do I have to do this? I always have to do that. Does that make sense? So if you actually listen to the words that you're actually telling yourself, a lot of it can be negative. A lot of it can actually be negative. All you gotta do now is tweak it around to the positive, and it actually be redirect your direction in life. So you cannot change the destination overnight. We can actually change the direction. Okay, you don't have to. Basically, what happens is, right, you're not a tree. You can move. You can actually go to places. Does that make sense? So you choose the words that you can't. Don't say that you can't. I always have. I'll always. I have to. Does that make sense? Or I'm just. You know what I mean? I'm just. So these are the words. These are words are two words that are very, very powerful that you use in your daily vocabulary. Once you actually itemize that and actually eliminate it, you watch the trajectory you have in your life. I hope that helps everyone. Bye bye.